In Samoan farming traditions, we grew up hearing our elders speak of the special times to plant seeds. As a child, I heard elders speaking of the right time to plant certain crops, weeding or cutting the grass and pruning trees like koko. As I grew older, these traditions became a haze. As women, there are many things about the land and nature which we feel and act on intuitively. As I became more involved with other women in Samoa, this wisdom was somehow compared and shared among my farming sisters, and it created a bond between us that needs no explanation.
I've always been here. Even though I left, always my heart was here. Just being here for about 10 years now, you just see the land. We decided to do something about it. Been enjoying it ever since. It's peaceful. We plant all the stuff that we eat. We saw the need that we can use the rest of the land to put stuff in to sell. And especially the cucumbers. We do get out there and weed. Mm-hmm. We do. Yeah, we do. Not in the morning, in the evening. We're always out there working, along with our workers. The thing that people don't realize is they're spraying, it only kills the top off. So the rest of the root down there, it just gets bigger and harder to pull out. And that's the thing people don't realize. It's quick, but yet it's going to give you double work. We can manage it. We just have to learn how to get back to that.
Nga ola mai lava o lo wahinga o lo kamamlo ki nga ola o fifakoa. Sa o le fakoanga lava sa kausi mai mako. Ole tūlanga la sa whaonga o makua, ele ai mangi vai la au. Pe ole silea lu I kau ia uai. Awai o mea uma o awala le sa whaonga la ue, whaonga lava ia, mea ole nā tūru ai. Ele ingi vai la au pe o ngai ili kemingi. E pe ole whakoanga mako, ole organic farm. Pela whakakainga le sweet corn, ole silea mea ka whaalongo ka ola mai ia ka whaalongo whamai. E koko le kaimi le ako al masinga, e koko konga le sanga le kaimi nga. Awa a whai ke koko ala wa songe le masinga. Nga ole le kaimi harvest, e ako le leile, le whako o le sanga lea. And then I did try le nga ukango whakaikai, e sa o le leile.
Mo yang ai kama I mea peace fo ia la ikia e maua yang ai se lengi nga e mea ngai mika fa ia e o fo la ngei mea ngi ia e ma fai fo nga maua fo le kupi awa ka ke alu a manga o mia mai se fala yang ka sa fo le la langa.
This farming calendar, using Mother Nature's moon cycles or phases, is just our way of honoring the ancient wisdom of our farming ancestors. It also seeks to inspire, I guess, and empower our next generation of women who are growers and farmers everywhere.